Welcome back to fellow motorcycle enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Suzuki RG1300. This model marks a significant evolution in Suzuki's sportbike lineup, blending cutting-edge technology with the brand's rich racing heritage. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the world of motorcycles, this detailed overview will provide you with all the information you need about the RG1300. The Suzuki RG1300 is a testament to Suzuki's commitment to innovation and performance. Building upon the legacy of the GSX-R series, the RG1300 introduces advanced features designed to enhance both track and street performance. With a focus on aerodynamics, power delivery, and rider ergonomics, this motorcycle is set to redefine the sportbike experience. At the heart of the RG1300 lies a meticulously engineered engine that delivers exceptional power and torque. While specific details about the engine's displacement and configuration are yet to be fully disclosed, Suzuki has emphasized the incorporation of advanced technologies to optimize performance. Expect a powertrain that offers seamless acceleration and top-tier performance, catering to both track enthusiasts and everyday riders. The RG1300 features a redesigned chassis that prioritizes rigidity and lightweight construction. This design philosophy ensures precise handling and stability, whether navigating tight corners or cruising at high speeds. Advanced suspension components, including fully adjustable front and rear setups, allow riders to fine-tune the motorcycle to their preferences and riding conditions. Suzuki has equipped the RG1300 with a comprehensive suite of electronic systems aimed at enhancing rider control and safety. Key features include Suzuki Drive Mode Selector. SDMS allows riders to choose from multiple engine maps to suit different riding styles and conditions. Traction Control System * monitors wheel spin and adjusts power delivery to maintain optimal grip. Quick Shifter and Bidirectional Shifter * facilitates smooth gear changes without the need to disengage the throttle or clutch. Launch Control * assists in achieving optimal acceleration from a standstill. These systems work in harmony to provide a riding experience that is both exhilarating and secure. The RG1300's design is a harmonious blend of form and function. Aerodynamic enhancements, such as strategically placed winglets and a sculpted fairing, reduce drag and improve high-speed stability. The aggressive stance and sharp lines not only contribute to its aesthetic appeal, but also serve to channel airflow effectively, ensuring optimal performance at various speeds. Suzuki has placed a strong emphasis on rider comfort without compromising performance. The RG1300 features an adjustable seat and handlebars, allowing riders to customize their riding position for maximum comfort during long rides or intense track sessions. The footpeg positioning and seat design ensure that riders maintain an aggressive yet comfortable posture, enhancing control and reducing fatigue. The motorcycle is equipped with a state-of-the-art TFT display that provides riders with essential information at a glance. This includes real-time data on speed, gear position, fuel levels, and trip information. Advanced features such as lean angle monitoring, lap timers, and customizable shift lights cater to the needs of performance-oriented *. Safety is paramount, and the RG1300's braking system reflects this commitment. The motorcycle is equipped with high-performance Brembo brakes, featuring dual front discs and a single rear disc, ensuring powerful and consistent stopping power. Coupled with an advanced anti-lock braking system, ABS, riders can confidently navigate various riding conditions, from wet roads to high-speed deceleration. As of now, Suzuki has not officially announced the pricing or release date for the RG1300. However, based on Suzuki's previous model releases and the advanced features incorporated into the RG1300, it is expected to be positioned in the premium sportbike segment. Prospective buyers are encouraged to stay tuned to Suzuki's official channels for the latest updates on. The 2026 Suzuki RG1300 represents a significant leap forward in Suzuki's sportbike offerings. With its blend of cutting-edge technology, refined design, and uncompromising performance, it is poised to set new standards in the motorcycle industry. Whether you're a track enthusiast seeking precision or a rider looking for an exhilarating street experience, the RG1300 promises to deliver on all fronts. Thank you for watching this in-depth look at the 2026 Suzuki RG1300. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates and reviews on the latest in motorcycle technology. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.